If you carry the goat, look for a goat. If you carry the cow, look for a cow. A dog should look for a dog. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking you guys back memory lane. We are doing a visit to the animal kingdom. I present to you these beautiful and handsome animals. Sorry. Okay, they will be sounding like the animal they picked. The best sound will stay, the worst sound will go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to have fun. Remember, you can only serve once. And if you do it better, you have memory to leave behind. You have legacy to leave behind. So if I were you, I will enroll as a change agent with Hypo Toilet Cleaner as a volunteer. Okay. What did you carry, my beautiful friend? Goat. What did you carry? Goat. We have these two beautiful goats. Sorry. Okay. The both of them will be sounding like a goat. The best goat will stay. The worst will. Are you ready? No music. Listen and be blessed. Are you ready? Let's go. I think she reared some goats. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2. Let's go. Jesus. This one is a frustrated goat. Ladies and gentlemen, if I'm the winner, you will shout Hypo Toilet Cleaner. If I'm the loser, you will shout away. Hypo Toilet Cleaner or away? I don't hear your voices. Hypo Toilet Cleaner or away? Hypo Toilet Cleaner or away? Hypo Toilet Cleaner or away? Remember, in Hypo Toilet Cleaner, everybody is a winner. Can I have a t-shirt for her? Please. Can I have a t-shirt for her? Give her a round of applause. Get your t-shirt downstairs. Hold on, let me give it to you here. Just up and give me one t-shirt for her. Congratulations. Thank you very much for coming out. We are proud to have you here. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a walk to the next guys. Contestant number 2. What did you carry? Dog. What did you carry? Dog. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you 2 security dogs. The best sound will stay, the worst will go. Let's go. Let's go. My father. Ladies and gentlemen, I will humbly meet the camp director, all the security agency. From today, your work stops now. We have a security dog that will patrol the camp. If I'm the winner, you will shout, Hypo Toilet Cleaner. Loser, away. Hypo Toilet Cleaner or away? Hypo Toilet Cleaner or away? Hypo Toilet Cleaner or away? You came with your family people. I think we have some Calabar people here. The way he's doing it, you know all those 404 they kill in Calabar? You know those dogs that will back and shake their bum bum. All those dogs. Baba, congratulations. Can I have a t-shirt for him, please? Congratulations. Thank you so much for coming out. Okay, next. Ladies and gentlemen, we have this beautiful contestants. What did you carry?
Cat.
Cat. What did you carry?
Cat.
Cat. We have those 2 beautiful cats. Okay, let's go.
Jesus is Lord.
I give up. You know those cats you find in Lekki? Don't worry, you can do better. There is a cat inside of you. I hear it. If I be a prophet, there's a cat living inside of you. Bring it
got
up.
it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
All right, let's go.
Meow.
You can do it. I believe in you. You will go places. as a cat, you will go places.
Meow. Meow, meow.
Please can I have something for her? Thank you so much for coming out. We love you. We have 3 guys. Please come. Please come. What did you carry?
Cow.
You carried a cow. What did you carry?
Cow.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you 2 beautiful and handsome cows. You need to sound like what you carry. The best will stay, the worst will go. Let's go. Let's go. I believe in you. Let's go. It's like she's related to kind of young. Don't be like she won't do rituals. Okay, if I'm the winner, you shout hypo toilet cleaner, loser away. Hypo toilet cleaner or away. Hypo toilet cleaner or away. Thank you for coming out. Help me with. Help me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 finalists and we need only 2 winners. The first and the second. Please file up here. 1 straight line. We need only the first and the second. If you know that you have a good looking shape and you are, what Timaya calls uku. If you know that you can sit down well, I need only 2 ladies. Please, 2 ladies that can sit down well. 2 ladies. Please meet Arinze backstage. Only 2 ladies. 2 ladies and 2 guys. Meet Arinze backstage. Arinze, just wave so they can meet you. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the finalists. We need only 2 winners that will stay and go with our gifts. Are you ready? What did you carry? What did you carry?
Dog.
What did you carry?
Cat.
What did you carry?
Cow.
Final round. You need to give us the sound. You do it until I ask you to stop. Then they'll pick their best 2. All right, let's go. Contestant number 2, let's go.
You think say they wise? But a mumu man. A mumu man.
All right, we need 2 finalists. Hypo toilet cleaner away. Hypo toilet cleaner away. Congratulations. Hypo toilet cleaner away. Oh, sorry. So, Okay, all right. Hypo toilet cleaner away. Hypo toilet cleaner away. Thank you so much for coming out. Can I have some? Hello? Yeah. Hypo toilet cleaner away. Hypo toilet cleaner away. Okay, can I have something for him, please? Arinze, thank you. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you. We have this finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to quickly, that means we have our first, second, and third. Are we okay? Are we good? First, second, and third. First, second, third. Okay, let me rearrange them. First, second, third. First, second, third. You know, in hypo toilet cleaner, everybody is a winner. So we have levels to our winners. Congratulations, guys. On behalf of my able brand manager, Mr. Andele Chidera, I want to have the singular honor to present this to the winners. Please hold it. Thank you very much for coming. Give them a round of applause, please. Put your hands together for them.
Come on, if you're clapping, you can clap better.
Okay. Congratulations. Can you don't hold it well. Show them some swag that you are a winner. Can I see your beautiful faces? Our cats, do it, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please put your hands together for them. Can I have those two ladies? Two ladies. Two ladies. Two ladies.